Hi guys, in this video I provide you the review of Hotel Collection Diffuser. Watch the video till the end. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit, where the peoples provide their opinions and reviews regarding Hotel Collection Diffuser. As you can see, these are the reviews provided by the peoples. As you can see, one people says that Hotel Collection is a horrible company who does not show all reviews for their products on their website. I know this because I gave him a 1-star review after receiving a diffuser. I paid over $200 for over 3 months later and it is defective. I then returned it and they sent me a rebursed one that still had oil in it. They finally sent me one that works. However, it is noisy and I ordered $1.08 worth of scent bottles 2 months ago, including holiday scents. And they have not even shipped and it is December 12th. As you can see, this is the review of the people, and this is the another review. The Hotel Collection and the Alto Match both are fantastic. The scent are very strong and I love them. Bang for your buck scent wise is more than most voice candles, but obviously no cozy candlelight atmosphere. I have the unit that goes in the HVAC and I get constantly complimented on my home scent. As you can see, these are the mixed reviews provided by the peoples. Please read these reviews very carefully. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.